Hello children, it's me Carolyn teacher, class 5, block 4 and S3 I'm going to teach. It is about the same thing about the digestion, intestines and digestion. Already in the previous class in block 2 I taught you about the digestion, how what happens in the intestines, small intestines and what happens in the large intestines and how the digestion will take place. So again just you open page number 28 from your reader, just we will go through, right? See here what happens here. The process of taking food into the mouth is called the ingestion, right? So the food is chewed by the teeth into small pieces. Food also moves with saliva, which helps to make it into a ball. This makes food easier to swallow. Saliva is a watery substance in the mouth. Saliva has a substance that helps to break down the complex food. Okay, till here. Now we will go with the second paragraph. Why I am reading you means just you read with me. Food passes from the mouth into the food pipe or the esophagus. So here what happens, from the mouth the food passes into the esophagus from the food pipe. After being pushed down by the esophagus, food enters the stomach. Into the stomach, food is mixed by the squeezing and relaxing of the stomach muscles, right? Now again come to page number 29 over here. The stomach also has substances that further break down the simple substances in the food. The stomach has a strong juices that kills germs in the food. Food passes from the stomach to the small intestines. So here from mouth to the food pipe, from food pipe to the stomach, from the stomach the food will enter into the small intestines. So what the small intestines will do here, the small intestines here the food is mixed with juices from the liver, gallbladder and the pancreas. These juices help in breaking down any remaining complex substances over here. Again the food will become very soft by mixing with the juices over here in the small intestines. So the what the small intestine will do, it absorbs the nutrients into the body. Now coming to the large intestine. From the large intestine the undigested food and some water travels to the large intestine. The main function of the large intestine is to remove water from the undigested matter and from the solid waste that can be excreted. The rectum serves as the temporary storage organ of the waste material, after which it passes back through the anus. So this you have to read. Already I have explained you why I am reading you means you have to read with me. Now everyone open your workbook children. See, this is workbook. In this workbook you are having intestine and the digestion. In this one you are having the activity over here. Can you see? Activity, role of intestine. So here you have to do one activity. Take one cloth, cotton cloth. You take one, what is that one, just one kerchief you take. Instead of that you take one kerchief, cotton kerchief. Just you put one banana into that one. Okay, you put two or three pieces of banana, and to that kerchief you tie two ends of that one, and just you what is that one, just you roll the kerchief and squeeze it. Hold the two ends in your hands and squeeze it. What you will observe in that one? So here in this one, when you will squeeze, what you will observe here, when the cloth is squeezed, what you will observe, when the cloth is squeezed, it's some food and the water comes out of the cloth. You have to write over here. Second one, here listen to the role of intestines and briefly what is that one here, note what they do. Here intestines means large intestine and small intestines you have to write over here in this answer. So what you will write here, the cells in the walls of the small intestines absorb the digested food, absorbs the digested food over here. Next what happens, energy is released from this absorbed food. Now here only you must write about the large intestine. What is the role of the large intestine? The walls of the large intestines absorbs water and the semi-solid food is then thrown out of the body through the anus. You have to write. Now we will come to the describe. Here you have to describe the roles of the small intestine and large intestine. So here we will come to the open the reader now. Why I made you to read? Because to write the answer in the workbook, page number 29. So here from food passes from the stomach to the small intestine. So from here you have to describe the small intestine from here to here. Food absorbed, what is the small intestines is when most nutrients are absorbed into the body. Here from food to body, this is the what is that one? You have to describe about the small intestine. And from here, from the small intestine to the anus, you must describe about the large intestine, and this must be written in a workbook over here. For the which question? Question number. Here you have to, for this question, describe the role of the intestines. For this you have to write. Next we will come over here down. What is the second one? It tells about draw a flow chart of digestion. So here you must what is that one? Flow chart you have to write. How the digestion begins. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, intestines. Okay, intestines you must write. Don't write small intestine. Only you must write intestines. Then anus you have to write. Got it, children? Just you read the lesson and again and do the activity what I have told you in the video. Then whatever the answers I have given you, just you write it neatly. Thank you.